This is a 2010 Infiniti G37. This car has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, front-side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has less than 39,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.